who are the members?
Thank you. Member we call Konsa Kore Miaka 18. So the more responsibilities at your man of Tareke Miaka 18 at
Yes.
Two, we over you who supported Manchester United.
Yeah.
And we cover ready who support maybe because Teringa no Mupira Oka toko watch usego kuwati well so no to atevango kwa tole charities. And terikero moto wako nyoro moto ni fanyari lakini kago teviunga bono we are having this needy case and then you are 20 shillings moto teva no tindi ready. So it is very imperative unga onye wota ile kwa member we cover 18 years and above and over ready ko
contribute and support.
Exactly. And then we cover it over machiko.
Yes.
Because we have had some discipline cases. Again, we have mechanisms in place. One and discipline case we handle in a very official way.
Yes.
And in a very professional way that we will know according to how much you should have not done this. Then we know much whatever case can handled. And we welcome members. Karonye go try to go join. You go encourage to end leader. Then end leader or kwa abuna machiko ngakia.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. Karoko watire machika you wakana your registration fee. Karoko wakana registration fee, and then from there kwa guided na wako vetted because we katomanya
ayeningo. Yeah, true.
Na yokoru because we also even have a welfare in our as a group ito. Asini chungo takatoto manyanga aye Geoffrey ayeningo.
Yes, true.
Techa kabanga maybe into kiavere ntomanye tinga yokoru.
I say no tiokora. Yeah,
exactly. One is very organized.
Yeah.
And a very structured group. As targeting to waterane, we make a society a better place. Yeah.
Now, Tura say almost secretary, and I think this is very important for you. To listen, how to join as a member.
Thank you. Kero otaito join. You reach na you reach to a
leader.
Kero kwa leader. Na wao whatever exactly now this is what you're supposed to do.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Egotori geto kori otomeru kerege to no wente kubwati then you be a member. Ngwa no reach the registration.
Yeah, true.
Kero kwa tia kan registration. Tiaba we confirm watomere. Then from there what kind of vetting say because we need to know.
Yeah.
Tocha kwenye oranga tuwaretera abantu bachena ndego oiteke ombekia vile after abantu ba a lot of time and funds kumeke sigekere ekero vians via koriru now na wako added the group then kwa introduced to the other members and from there you're free buna kero mepirere with toko watch together kero charities chirevune chata we tomorrow we are supposed to go to a blood donation wa donate also to donate you come for moral support. And then after that na onye toko and national charity events you are free to go together. So plus in another we have even we have a welfare na pia na bogoso kero kero monto rata kero so welfare nero get very structured.
Yes.
Onye to remember ono to matanga na togocha kene kia very say no togocha kuna friends.
Yes.
But kero rebono was very welfare sababu fund based na welfare chire
it is a different. Yeah,
exactly. Ono kero or member ya welfare will come on the welfare and then we assist as per our constitution.
Karumu Bwatan was a member ye Kiombe, you come as friends.
Yeah, kero tari member ye welfare. Ono going to what the welfare very independent. Yeah.